Okay, so this is my tutorial, and for the first application, which is the chat program, I created two stack panels over here, next one another, and gave them different colors so that they can be easily distinguished. Each stack panel consists of a text block, a text box, and a button. So this is the text block, this is the text box, and these are the buttons. I also created a user control to create two combo boxes. So this is the user control, my user control, and I create these are the combo boxes, and I filled the combo boxes with names. So for example, Jeremy, Alistair, Ludwig, Melvin, Lisa, Ewan, Doris, and Anna. I did one for each stack panel, and each combo box had a list of names. Once done, I linked the user control with the main window. So once I did that, I linked the user control with the main window by using this line of code here. And then for the coding part, I use the trigger function of both buttons, which is the click. And what this code is doing here is that every time I press the send message button, I get the text me plus the message that I wrote in text box 1, and after that it starts a new line. And in this line, what I'm saying is that so that the other stack panel, which contains text block 2, will read the message from text box 1 and also the name of the sender. So let's see it work. So for example, Ludwig and Anna. So here is me plus the message that I wrote, hello, and Ludwig said hello, and it writes the name of whoever sent the message, which is Ludwig. And then I reply back, hello, and here comes Anna, because it's Anna replying. And that's basically how the chat program works. Now, for the second application, which is the text editor, I created a dock panel and gave it a light blue color. I also created a rich text box to be able to write the document. Next, I created a user control and named it toolbar so that I can create my toolbar. And the toolbar includes the file and its submenus, which is new, save, and load. It includes the edit option, and its submenus are cut, copy, and paste. And also one can also change the font family from over here, the font size from here, and the font background color, which is from here. One can also make the text bold, italic, and also underlined, and also make it plain if one wishes to. Then what I did was I linked the toolbar with the main window by writing this code here. So I linked the user control with the main window. And now to view the code, so here is the code. Over here, these are the font sizes. I made a list of font sizes that the user can choose from. These are the list of font colors that the user can choose from. And now over here I'm saying that if the selected item is not left empty, which means I chose an item, then apply accordingly. So if I chose an item, if I chose a font family, for example, the font family must become the one that I chose. And over here I'm saying the same, but this is which is regards to the font size. Over here, this is the code for when I click on file and choose new. The rich text box is cleared. Over here, when I click on save, I choose file and click on save. It saves the document which I wrote as a rich text format. Over here, when I choose on open, it opens the document which I want, and let me choose a document in order to load a document. And over here, what it's saying is that to change the background color of the font. So let's see it work. Okay, so I choose any and it changes accordingly, so that's working correctly. The font size works as well, bold as well, italic as well, and underline as well. And I can cut and also paste. This is the font background color which I can choose from, and I can do file, save the document, save it anywhere. I'm going to save it on the desktop. And then file and load. File new, file load. There it goes. Alright, so that works as well, and that's basically how my program works.